Hi, Sadkat. Kumusta? Good evening, Sadkat. First. You only first, siguro. In few seconds. Thank you, Sadkat. Kumusta ka na? Kumain ka na? Kumain ka na ba? Salamat sa thumbs up, Sadkat. Thank you so much. Salamat sa thumbs up. Walang saysayang sinasa... Oo. Salamat. Thank you. Tayo sa kadyot ma... Ano yun? Ano tayo sa kadiot? 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 Ano yun? Tayo sa kadiot? Hi, ma'am. Random cat. Sad cat, random cat. Mayroon pa isa eh. RDD cat. Ano, tama ba yun? Salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you sa pag-thumbs up. Thank you so much. Sa ID Kiki. Hi, ma'am. Di ba? Salamat. Jabin Caldosa. Hi, Jabin. Kumusta? Baka ikaw pa rin yan, Sadkat, yun nga. Ikaw rin yan, di ba, Jabin? Ikaw lang yan, di ba? Hi, Jabin. Salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you. Ilang taon ka na pala? Hi, may 4 thumbs up na ako. Oh my God. Salamat, Jibin. Thank you. Hi, Mom. Hi, Sadkat. Kumusta ka na? Men! Kay. Paulit. Ada. Taysa, so, sako, kadiot, ma'am. Ano daw? Ano ibig sabihin mo? Kadiot. Kadiot? Kunti. Kunti. Kunti yun. LG Pantora. Baka ikaw pa rin yan. Away. Away from keyboard. Away from keyboard. Hi, LG Pantoras. Baka ikaw pa din yan. Ikaw pa rin yan. Walang raise your... Yeah. Raise your... Hi! Thank you sa 5 million in the house. Salamat. Thank you. Hi, LG Pantoras. Sadkat, thank you so much, Sadkat. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you, Sadkat. Jiben, thank you sa patambal. Hi! For the 7 million in the house. Thank you so much. Salamat. Patthumbs up po. Kumusta? Ako ang tong account. Okay. Parang iniisip ko, Sadkat, ikaw lahat yung nanonood dyan. Sa 7, sa'yo lahat yan. Parang iniisip ko. Salamat po. Salamat po sa nagpunta. Thank you so much. Sayang sinasabi na hindi mo mawari. Ang random cat, Jibin Caldosa, IDD, mauna ang ma-account na ko. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sadka. Thank you so much. Jidin, thank you. Salamat. Thank you so much sa 8 million people in the house. Salamat po. Thank you, Sadka. Thank you so much sa suporta. Thank you sa thumbs up. 5 thumbs up na. Salamat. Thank you po. Thank you. Konting tiis na lang, magkikita na tayo. Salamat sa 8 million. Sa 8 million people in the house. Salamat po. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Taga saan po kayo? Pwede mo mag-comment. Anong tanong, opinions. May papayo niyo sa akin. Ano masasabi niyo? Tiwala lang. Tutuloy pa ba? Laban lang ganon. Tulog na, ganyan. Pahinga na. Pagod na. Hala na. Ma'am, I approve user ko, ma'am. Approve user? Ano yun? Ano yung approve user? Sadgat. Anong ibig mong sabihin? I approve user ko, ma'am. Anong ibig mong sabihin, Sadgat? Why day ka kababaw, ma'am? Kabaw, ma'am? Anong kabaw? Why di I? Ha? Kalang ganahan sa imong video. I search. Hindi kasi ako sa Google. Anong magandang ang may papayo niyo sa akin para ma-improve content creator pa ako. Kasi hindi ako magaling. Ano masasabi mo, Sadkat? Yung may papayo mo sa channel ko para mag-improve pa yung channel ko. So, may mga tips sa Google na sa Google pa talaga. Okay, thank you. Bitaw, ma'am. Hindi ko naintindihan. Bisaya ba? Bisaya ka ba, no? Sadkat. Thank you. English ko or mag-Bisaya? Tagalog, pwede Tagalog. Nahirapan ako mag-Bisaya. Nahirapan din ako mag-English. Tagalog naman pwede. National language, Tagalog. Hi, John Luke. Hi, Sir John Luke. Yes. Hi, salamat. Salamat sa pagpunta. Ay, dili ko kabaw, ma'am. Hi again. Hi again. Thank you so much sa 6 thumbs up. Salamat po. Salamat po sa Thank you. Salamat. Thank you sa thumbs up. Thank you, John Locke. Salamat. Naghang na ako. May freezing. Nangyari. Nag-freezing. It's lagging. Yeah, it's lagging. Lagging. Sorry. Ang pangit ang pag-lag. I can't hear you. What? You can't hear me? What happened? What happened? You can't hear me. I didn't mute. Not muted. Where are you from, John Luke again? You here in ano pala, Filipino? You live here in the Philippines? Where are you from, John Luke again? You're deaf? Deaf means bungol. Lapu-lapu, I remember. Deaf means bungol. Thank you. Mapu-mapu. Mapu-mapu daw. Thank you. Thank you so 3 million. You look sad. What happened? Nothing happens. Maybe just a little tired. Sadkat, di ko maintindihan. Chinese? Korean? Sadkat. Ay, bakit? Bakit binawi yung isang thumbs up? Bakit binawi? Bakit naman? Ay, salamat. Ibalik ulit. Chinese naman. Bakit Chinese na? Wala talaga akong maintindihan. Magbisaya ka na lang or mag-English. Huwag na Chinese. Hindi ko maintindihan. Thank you sa 5 million in the house. Salamat. I'm not sad. Maybe just a little tired. Should I do English o Bisaya? Maybe English na lang. Hindi ko maintindihan Bisaya eh. English na lang. Okay. Ilang taon ka na, Sadkat? Thank you sa 6 million. Ilang taon ka na, Sadkat? Pwede ko manganta, ma'am? Pwede. Sinang kakanta ako? Sige. Ano kanta? I only have 50. You only have 50? Janlo? 50 pesos? How do you have a 1K subs? Yeah, 1K subs. I have. You only have. I will subs you back, Janlo. Pwede ko manganta, ma'am? Pwede po. Ang kanta. Walang saysay ang sinasabi na hindi ko. Kaso ulan na. It's raining. Hindi ko mawari. Naulan pagkakanta ako. Sumasama yung panahon. Yay. Your morning eyes, I could stare like what sings. Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. Wow, sana all. Sadkat. Nahiwagaan ako sa'yo, Sadkat. I remember the words. I remember the words you said, Charot. Thank you, Sadkat. I could walk you by and I will tell without a thought. Napakaroon. May Sadkat. Nahiwagaan na talaga ako sa iyo. Sinerch mo ba yan o sarili mong ano yan? I can be alone. Jesus, all about only time. It's all my life around. The sweetest things I found upon you. Know you're all that I want this life. Sana all sad cat. Akala know you're all that I want this life. Thank you sa 3 million. Thank you sa 7 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Salamat. Here with you. Someone is talking in the background. How is it? My nephew. My niece. They are talking. The kids. The kids. They play. They shout. They talk. Still wake up the kids. The neighbor. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Through the years, through the years. Thank you sa 3 million. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Thank you po. Kanan ko'y habang buhay daw. Akala ko'y salamat sa 3 million. Thank you so much. Merong nagtago sa loob ng puso mo. Mata pa. Alam mo lang sana. Turog mo. When it's Saturday. Night alone. Tingin mo. Naguruli na. Saro lang na pwede. Wala doon. Pwede turog na. Aba, dito ka Martin. Kalahat ka ang takot ay nasa isip. When are you going to sleep, by the way? When? 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 What time now? Maybe I'm going to, when are you? Maybe 10, 11, I'm going to sleep. I'm tired na. 9:30. 9:13 already. Charat. I'm tired. I'm tired. Akala ko'y habang buhay tayo. It's just me again. Thank you. Thank you, John Locke. Thank you so much. No money na. Thank you so much for joining. What are you doing, Jando? What are you doing now? Nor hindi Chubbs. Hi, Madam Cheryl. Madam Cheryl ako. Grabe naman mukha, Madam. Hi, Norvin de Chavez. Kamusta? Grabe naman sa Madam, ha? Thank you sa thumbs up, sa 8 thumbs up. Salamat po. Thank you so much. Akala ko'y habang buhay tayo. Thank you so much, Norwin de Chavez. Salamat po. Umuli ka namin, yung papauli ka na. Ayanga, what happened to Alex Ogat from when I first showed up? I don't know. You know Alex? Huh? I don't know. You know Alex Ogat? I don't know. I don't know him. Yun na yun. I don't know who's Alex Ogat. Nagluwang ka na? Yeah, it was 2 days ago. Yeah, I don't know Alex Ogat. I don't know him. You know Alex Ogat?
Mira. Pa. Sa bag mo? Slide ka? Slide ka ulit.
When I first come to your life. Okay. There was Alex Ogat. Okay. Maybe did you join my live, but just one comment, then Alex Ogat didn't reply, or maybe he lived and didn't come back again. But I don't know who's Alex Ogat. I don't know him. Sorry, noisy here. Noisy. So much. Peace. Okay. Notice. Not quiet while. Not quiet. Oh. Akala ko'y habang buhay tayo. Just quite a while. Number one YouTube girl, she is nice. Huh? Sino? Number one YouTuber. Oh my god. She's nice. Thank you. Thank you, John Locke. Thank you so much. John Locke. Thank you. Wait lang. Ayun. Salamat. This is nice. Sana all. Sana all. Thank you, Jenlock. Akala ko habang buhay tayo, akala ko hanggang dulo, akala ko. Why is Sadkas not here now? Maybe he live or going to sleep na. Maybe. Where's Sadkat now? Maybe Sadkat happy now. No, not Sadkat now. Happy cat now. All at once, I'm jetting on. Make me stronger by breaking my heart. You ended my... Ang ingay dito sa amin. So noisy here from morning, afternoon, all day until night. Oh my goodness. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I don't know why. Akala ko Thank you so 3 million. So 3 million people in the house. I found that sign. What are you doing now, John Locke? John Locke. What are you doing now? Simple lang. Still watching your live. Thank you. You only one. Thank you. Thank you, John Locke. Ikaw ang bigay ng mga kapatugon sa aking dasal. Upang sa lahat ng panahon Thank you so much sa nanonood sa 2 people in my house. Salamat. Salamat sa nag-stay na manood, no? Kahit na antok na si host. Bakit pag na-live ako dito sa naantok ako? Kahit ako mismo inaantok sa sarili kong live. Ang boring. Boring. Ay. Nag-ibag. Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Ayaw pa ng puso. Thank you for teaching me how to live. Burning my emotion. Akala ko'y habang buhay. Nakakalimutan ko. I'm going to sleep na. Nantok na ako. Bye-bye.